Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube, Katara Cleans. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you like my content. Also, go to www.kataracleans.com to book your next cleaning appointment with us. Thank you. On this episode of Katara Cleans, we're going to talk about the 8 must-haves when cleaning your home. Number 1, again, obviously, breathe easy to make your home smell amazing after it's clean. The other things that you need to have are multi-purpose cleaners, which we sell also, so remember to go to my website. You need degreasers, mostly for the kitchen, for the oven, those tough stains in the refrigerator and the microwave. You definitely need bathroom cleaner. You always want to make sure you're cleaning your restroom regularly. You want to spray it down every day, but clean it, you want to do it once a week. You need towels. You need a mop bucket. You need glass cleaner, broom, stainless steel spray, and most importantly, the most 3 things that you need when cleaning your home is us, Claudia, Katara, and Jessica. Huh?
Where do I book you?
Oh, and you book us at www.kataracleans.com.